Hello guys, I'm testing here some local models that I can use in VS Code. So I tested quite a lot, including DeepSeek Coder, V2 and Qwen models. And basically so far 3.5 with 9 billion parameters performs the best. How I do the things. So I'm using the Continue extension and I'm asking a simple question of could you analyze and find potential improvements of the code, providing the files that I would like to be included as a context. Afterwards, I'm comparing the solutions, seeing if there is a winner. With Ollama pool, you can download specific model, and then here in Continue extension, you can go and click on Add Chat Model. Then you choose the provider for Ollama, and then from below you click Connect. It will automatically create an auto-detect configuration file for the models. Then you should be able to use the local model inside of the models drop down here. So that's how we choose a model and run queries. Some of the models, like 2.5 with 7 billion parameters, were suggesting just partial improvements of the code. This means that even for those 4 or 5 files, they were not outputting the whole code that we can just replace, but just some fragments that a coder needs to fit inside of the existing code. On top of this, they were making mistakes, mixing HTML with PHP or adding invalid tags. The minus of using a bigger model is, of course, the limitation over the RAM memory that you have. For example, here I'm with 5070 mobile card, which has only 8 gigabytes of memory. And in such term, we need to wait a little bit while the model is processing the input. But it's way better, the quality of those higher billion parameters models. It's also interesting to notice that the 3.5 model from Qwen is better than the third version with 14 billion parameters, despite in the previous one we have just 9 billion parameters, but the reason is that it's highly optimized for coding. So if I would like to have a query and run it to see in live the speed of the processing, I can type could you find any security holes and fix them in the project. And here I'm in chat or ask mode, so you can see how long will it take. So it's not that bad. And if you'd like to continue, you can even try a model with a bigger number of parameters. So here are the fixes, it suggests code, and that's basically how you can use local models with reasonable good quality in order to help your development flow without leaking data to third-party providers. If you like the information and would like to receive more, you can always subscribe to the channel. Thank you.